Hey guys, Ian Folk here. Super excited to bring you the unboxing of the Nashville XL. I've been waiting for this frame, so let's just get straight into it. Ecom box is what it shows up in when you order online. So we're going to explode this thing and see what's going on inside. First look, looks like we have some card information, so we'll run through that really quick. This is a thank you card from Electric. Very nice of them. Some warranty information on returns and online exchanges. And some information on the brand with social handles so you can follow along, and some information on their melanin infused lenses. And last but not least, very cool sticker for the car or surface of your choice. And one more look at the box here. Looks like it's a tissue wrapped sunglass box, which can only be the Nashville XL, which it is. It looks like we have one more card in here, and that is the global warranty card information, all the languages for anyone around the world who has any questions on their product, and the Nashville XL right here in this microfiber bag, great for storing and cleaning your sunglass lenses. Wow, this thing looks insane. You can pull off that little plastic sheath right there, and all that does is really protect the arms from rubbing against each other in transit, keep your product looking tight as it gets to you. These things look amazing, fit great, feel great. Thanks for watching.